Hello guys, it is me, Jimmy. No, Timmy. Today we are going to be riding a helicopter. Yes, look at this beauty. Yes. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Look at how happy I am, you see? So happy. Okay, let's get into it. And today and yesterday I did promise you guys that we are gonna try to go in between the blimp. We are going to do that. Okay. But I want to get my license on every single vehicle. An air vehicle. So I can show it off to Timmy. Watch this. Yeah, that was cool, huh guys? I should deserve, oh, up. Backwards. What? Yes, look at this. Look at this trick. Yep. And then we are going to land right. Not here. That's silly. Right over to the ferry. Should I jump out and land? Should I just land? I don't want to lose this. Screw it. It's to me to do. This tire looks so good. Transition. Oof. Ow. Okay. Retard transition. 1 out of 10. I don't know if it's gonna look that good. Okay. We go up. Yes. We have it right where we want it. Slow her down. Slow her down. First try. Oh yeah. You know, I love this game. Sometimes. Not all the time, sometimes. Ooh. Look. Okay, I gotta go to Granny Num Nums. My legs. No. My trusty truck. It's my truck now, at least. Since it's the color of my pants. And you know that's always fun whenever it's the color of my pants. Okay, Granny Num Num, I'm coming. Oh! Good thing I didn't crush into that sign. Whoa! No, that's where Grandpa is. Say hi to him in a minute. Hey, look at that, you see? Hi, Granny Num Num. I'm coming. Oh no! Oh no! No! Okay, we're gonna try to go get this back over here. No! Oh, we just. Oh. Okay. We use paraglider later. Paraglider later. Since look at that. Look at that we can do. I'm coming, Granny. Nom nom. Granny Nom Nom, I'm here. Ow. Granny Nom Nom, open the door. Oh, you're going poo. Just open the door. Eh, eh, open it. Eh, open the door. Eh, 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 oh, eh, eh. Ta 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 ta. Oh, oh, eh, eh, eh. You're not gonna open the door now, or you know, Granny Num Num. Sometimes you're gonna be a little poo. You know, you a little poo sometimes. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh no. Oh. Eh. The wagon of light. Yeah. Oh. It calls to me. I am unstoppable. Out? Huh. It can't. Since I am Jimmy. Okay. Like I promised you guys, paraglider. Ooh, light pole. They updated that. It's like a metal pole whenever I whack it on something. Okay, we don't need that anymore. Here we go. Arms up. No, I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet. Oh, you guys did this to me. You guys did this to me. Out of the water. I don't want to go in the water. No, I don't want to get wet. I don't know. I'm going to give you guys a little sneak peek for next video. It's going to be really nice. So, if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. I beg of you. And if you don't, Jimmy's gonna find your toes. So like and subscribe to me. Please. That's all I ask. That's all I ask. Yes, all I ask. Jimmy out. Jimmy or Timmy, I'm confused now. Out.